Mother. What you doing, Ella? Are you eating grapes, Ella? Do you like the grapes? Here, you want some help? There you go. Here's the grapes. What you got in your hands, honey? What are you doing, Sterling? You eating grapes too, darling?
Aldebaran.
Oh, that's what You doing a grape dance, honey? Are you going to share with your brother? That would be very nice if you would. Can you give one to Sterling, please? Can you give that to Sterling? Huh? Please give that to Sterling? Oh, poor buddy. Come here, buddy. There you go. Do you love grapes too, Sterling? You got your little 4th of July swim trunks on? Yeah? Are you going for a grape too, darling? Here you go. Okay, here you go. Yum, yum. What? Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about that one, honey. Here.